Hi there everyone, welcome to Office Tutorial by Technoholic. In this quick video, we will be talking about how we can write vector in Microsoft Word document. So without ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to click here on this insert. Then you require to click here on equation and then click on insert new equation. Now you require to click here on operator and then from here you can choose the vector sign. So here is our vector sign, which is arrow in rightward direction. Just click on it and just click on this square and then type A. So in this way guys, we can write vector in Microsoft Word. So that's all guys from my side in this quick one, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.